الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. أما بعد, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته, my beloved brothers and sisters. Today, inshallah ta'ala, we're going to start our first module where we basically start off with the Arabic language from the very beginning. And as you know, that the beginning of any language starts by understanding the letters, bi'idhnillah ta'ala. And so inshallah ta'ala, in today's lesson, what I'm going to do is briefly explain to you what we're going to do in this particular module. And we're going to go through all of those steps, and then inshallah ta'ala, from our next lesson, we'll begin the first actual lesson where we're going to look at the Arabic letters and start to learn them. And so inshallah ta'ala, as you can see, today's lesson is what you will learn in this module. So this is going to be a complete and entire roadmap of what we're going to do when it comes to mastering the Arabic letters. And the objective, like I mentioned, is that we're just going to break down exactly what it is that we're going to cover, the things that we're going to take, and what it is about the letters that we need to learn. Now, I do want to mention something that's very important to each and every single one of you, okay? Which is when it comes to learning the Arabic letters, it is very different in comparison to learning, for example, the English language. There are multiple things that we need to take into consideration. And I'm going to break that down for you now, inshallah ta'ala. And once we start, you'll see that in our following lesson. And so, what is it that we're going to do? We're going to take, number one, the shape of each Arabic letter. And so we are going to visually break down what every letter looks like. So you need to know the shapes. It's very different, like I mentioned, to how the English language is. So we're going to look at the shape of every letter from, the alif, the ba, the ta, all the way down to the ya, inshallah. So we'll look at the shape so we understand, so we can recognize it. We're also going to learn the name of every letter as well, because every letter has a unique name. And so when we talk about these letters, you need to know which letter shape we are referring to by its name. Every letter also has a particular sound, okay? There's a sound that this letter makes. And so you need to figure out where the sound comes from when you pronounce it from your mouth. And remember, this is going to be very important when it comes to you learning how to recite the Quran properly, okay? And even when you're speaking, inshallah ta'ala. So we'll look at how to pronounce these letters. Some of the letters are actually very similar, and so we have to figure out which ones are which based upon the way we pronounce them. The other thing that we're going to look at, which is very important, is that the letters in the Arabic language, there is a general shape that a letter has. And then when the letter is joined with other letters to make a word, we find that when the letter comes at the beginning of a word, or in the middle of a word, or at the end of the word, it would have some sort of a variant shape. The shape will be slightly different. And so we have to recognize what they are, inshallah ta'ala. And it will make more sense once we start the first actual lesson. And so that would be dependent upon the position that this letter is going to be within the word. So we're going to take that as well, inshallah ta'ala. And lastly, we're going to look at vowel markings. We're going to look at vowels which basically allow us to pronounce letters with words properly. Okay, so we're going to look at what is known as a fatha, a kasra, a dhamma, and there are other things similar to that like the tanween and the sukoon and the shadda. We're going to look at all of those bi'idhnillah ta'ala. And so that's all we're going to take. In fact, there's actually two more things I remember, which is we're also going to look at how the letters are joined together to form words. So now you've taken the letters, you've taken the shapes, you've taken the pronunciations, you've looked at how the vowels are as well and what their markings are. But we're now going to look at when we put these letters together, with all of this, how to pronounce them properly, inshallah ta'ala, and read them accurately as well. So these are all of the steps that we're going to do. And practically speaking, once you get to the stage where you've understood the letter, what it looks like, how it sounds, when it comes at the beginning, middle, end of a word, with the vowel markings, when they come together to produce a word, when you understand that, you're basically going off to the next stage, which is being able to read words and read sentences, and also speak words and speak sentences. And now you're ready to really grasp the language of the Arabic language bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So that's really it for this particular lesson, inshallah ta'ala. And again, to summarize, we are going to take a roadmap and we are going to go through these particular things for the next couple of weeks, inshallah ta'ala. And once we've completed it, you will be able to, inshallah ta'ala, read and start speaking and pronouncing words within the Arabic language. Inshallah ta'ala, I will see each and every single one of you in the following and upcoming lesson. May Allah bless you all. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.